How you close the car? Oh, picture pa! Picture!
1, 2, 3.
Go.
Picture pa! Okay, enough.
Yes. Oh.
Ate Dad, patayin ko na te.
Say hi to the vlog, oh.
Hello.
Vlog your day.
Hello, I'm going to my flag day. I'm going to a new home.
Dili lagi na mo
It's gonna
credit
be
card
my
ang
mother
mana.
now. It's gonna be my new mother.
Credit card pay.
It will be my new second mother.
Second mother.
Yeah, but but Mommy Celine is gonna die.
Uy!
Because, Mama,
It's bad, huh?
Yeah, because she's old already. Gonna die.
She's too young. Mama Celine.
Yeah, so you too young.
You don't wanna go to Mamilo? You don't wanna go to Mamilo?
Huh? I want to go to my new mommy, man.
Isa may imo niyo, mami.
Ada.
Uy!
You can take care of me.
No, I cannot. I don't like kids.
Really? But you said you like kids.
I don't like kids, man.
Mm,
Especially English-speaking kids. I don't like English-speaking.
okay. And about Bisaya?
Oh yeah, I like Bisaya kids.
Okay.
Oh, now you speak in Bisaya. Oh, sige, speak na ka Bisaya. Sige, speak na ikaw Bisaya.
Lotang ay
Mommy said I can speak Bisaya.
Why man?
Papate.
And this one, but like just ambulance.
Kana ra yung may bawat, kana.
Kana ambulance.
Kana ambulance.
Kana ambulance. But English or Spanish?
Oh, you know Spanish? You know Spanish too? English or
Yeah. And how about English or Spanish?
Okay, you'll speak in Spanish.
No, okay, Spanish. I mean, but it's too hard to speak Spanish
Why?
because it'll be so hard and even it look like very so hard, just like a truck. Yeah, we put it to the front. Now look,
Murang tayo
a
na
truck.
Mine, you know?
Yeah, and I got another friend, my doctor friend.
You have a doctor friend? You
Yeah.
want to be a policeman?
Yeah, I don't like to be a policeman anymore.
Why?
Because it will take so long.
What? What?
It will take so long.
Take so long.
And how about the doctor? It also takes so long, you know?
You know, only a doctor can do it. Only doctor can always use people.
What?
He'll speak.
Yeah, it will come in people when they're sick.
When they're sick. And how about the policeman?
They can arrest
What?
robbers. They can arrest robbers for
You know what
stealing banks
you know-
and
you
even
know-
stealing house.
You know what is takyan?
Huh?
You know what is takyan? And the shatong?
Oh, shut up!
You know what is
Yeah, but I can see my own shadow to a light. When I go down to the sunshine, it will make a shadow.
Shadow, daddy, shadow.
No, that's not shadow. I said shatong.
Oh, I see.
You know what is shadow?
Oh,
Ano ba si shadow?
What?
Shadow is.
You better Google first.
I don't know.
You say, shadow is... What nakalitok?
I don't know. I don't know how to explain my brain. I don't know how to explain. I don't know.
You know your brain is not working anymore. I
Yeah.
think you're sick already.
No, I'm not sick. I'm not coughing. Look.
Oh no, I'm not copying.
I'm not coughing, look.
I'm just breathing because I want to breathe while standing when I wake up because when I not breathe, I will die.
Kamay, nagkakabalitan talaga ikaw, di
This
kay
is
kadako.
relaxing. This
Yung
is
pa
very
natin.
relaxing.
Yeah, karon na
This is relaxing.
Do you know how to speak in Bisaya?
Yo, look, yeah. Is it a
Do you know how to speak in Bisaya? Speak in Bisaya.
Bisaya.
A little bit.
And blah, 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 blah,
You speak in Bisaya,
Is it a poop?
No. No.
That's a poop?
Yeah.
That smells gross.
Do you know how to speak in Bisaya? Speak in Bisaya because you're a kuan, Cebuano.
Oh, si Guano na.
Cebuano na.
Oy, 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 oy.
Oy. Stop.
Ayun. Oh,
Oh, you're so heavy.
Oy.
Oh, you're so heavy.
Oh, your cell phone is hot.
You're so heavy.
Yeah, I'm so happy. Because I'm 5.
You're 5?
Yeah.
You're still 5?
Yeah, I'm still 5, not 8 yet.
Not 8 yet.
Yeah, we grow up when I sleep.
After 5, what is?
Wait.
Ziki, pag Bisaya, agad
We
Ziki.
grow up to 8.
Ziki, pag Bisaya, speak Bisaya, be. Speak Bisaya,
Wait,
be.
kung naman sabihin na, na, oy.
Oy, oy.
Say, unsa man na. Unsa man na.
Kana,
Kana.
kana ban. Ban na, say na.
It's your boyfriend calling.
Hello.
Oh. Hello, hello. Hello.
Ulo na po.
Oy,